How to delete Temu account? In today's tutorial, I will guide you how to delete the Temu account in short and quick ways. For that, you need to simply go ahead and open the Temu application. Make sure to sign in on your Temu account if you haven't yet. Then after that, select the U icon at the bottom of the screen. Once you are on this page, you need to select the gear icon at the top right corner of the screen to access the settings page. Now on the settings page, you simply need to select account security at the top left corner of the screen. Once you get access to this account security page, you have to scroll all the way down, and at the bottom of the screen you will find delete your Temu account option. Simply select it and you'll be taken to this delete your Temu account page where you will need to simply toggle on the button or tick mark the option of I want to permanently delete my Temu account. But before permanently deleting your Temu account, you can easily go through all this information. After that, you can check mark it and select the continue button. Once done, you can easily select here the reason why you want to delete your account and select continue button. Once done, tap on continue deleting and you can easily now delete this account permanently by selecting the delete account option. So before that, you can also verify your identity. You can choose the password to verify identity. So let's enter it. Once you are done with entering your password, select the continue button. As you can see that we have successfully requested to delete our Temu account. So now you can click on the confirm button. And as you can see that our account has been removed. So in this way you can easily delete the Temu account permanently. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then make sure to hit the like button. If you are new to our channel, then subscribe it and press the notification bell so that you won't miss any updates from our channel.